So I would like to hear, so mnemonics, is it okay if your child have vision issues? They're not able to see things properly. Do you avoid taking them to an ophthalmologist? Or if you have cold and cough and fever, do you neglect them taking from an ENT or a physician? No, right? So dental caries, or having brownish or blackish teeth, is equal to having some disease in your mouth. And if you think because they are milk teeth they're going to anyways fall and let's not treat it, it is a myth. Because the infection from your milk teeth can very well spread to your permanent teeth, and it can hamper the overall health of permanent teeth. So neglecting this discoloration or cavity teeth can have effects on the permanent teeth. Second, the infection from the milk teeth can have issues like fever, repeated throat infection, because the microorganism can spread. So it is not okay that you avoid this blackish discoloration. It is always important that you take your child to a pediatric dentist or to your family dentist to cure the problem.